For more than 30 years, I pursued my passion to understand the riddle of human behavior, to learn how we could take greater control of the hidden forces that shape our lives. As an entrepreneur, I'm the creator of the best-selling board game Mind Trap, which has sold millions of copies worldwide. And I've experienced both sensational success and colossal failure. However, it's usually the failures that are life's greatest teachers. And so after enduring a string of failures based on horrific decisions, I was determined to discover if there was an identifiable cause to bad decisions or if it was just random luck. Now, the first thing I realized was that my disastrous decisions were the result of hubris, assumptions, false confidence, and irrational beliefs rather than uncontrollable forces and the unpredictability of life. So, because of my sudden stream of bad choices, I was intent in finding out if we could actually determine our future by making critical decisions with certainty. This book is the culmination of years of research to answer that question. And through that search, I discovered what I believe to be the most valuable skill, or should I say discipline, that any one of us can acquire. And that's the ability to follow a sound decision-making formula rather than what feels right. Now, I have found through firsthand experience and observation that if you follow my decision-making formula, you'll find that not only does it work, it's infallible.